We talk football SA. Yafowethu ngizocela uniphe igama bese usho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs 2 TS Galaxy 0 ukuthi wena ubone kanjani umdlalo namhlanje.
Kaizer Chiefs 2
asingakhuluma sapha.
TS Galaxy 1.
Yeah,
no 0 man.
TS Galaxy 0 yeah uyayizama.
No guys, it was a nice match for the day.
Yes.
It reminds me the sad part what happened yesterday.
Yes.
When the Arsenal lost.
Yeah.
It was a disaster. But anyway, Course for life, that was a great game.
Yeah.
Beautiful 2 goals to Kaizer Chiefs. Beside that, nothing. We're looking forward to the next game.
Yes.
Let's hope for the best for Amakosi.
Yes.
What can you do besides Amakosi? Kosi for life. If you don't favor Kaizer Chiefs of South Africa,
yes.
Yeah, maybe we are next to Orlando Stadium.
Some supporters are still not coming to the stadium, but it was better today. What can you say to those who stayed at home? Because I think they missed out on a great game.
No. The guys must come to the stadium.
Yes.
And start watching live matches. It's totally different when you're sitting at home, but it's an advantage. They say it's an advantage when you're at home, but come to the stadium, then you will experience the vibe,
yes,
the fans.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
What can you say about Cross?
Oh. No. Let me not talk about court. Let me talk about the rain.
Yes.
It was something that you said maybe people will start going home, but they stayed. Dedication.
Yes.
Supporters. They said we are not going anywhere. Whether it's raining or shine, we supported the team that we came for, which is Kaizer Chiefs. They stood, rain, and then the rain stops. We continue.
Carries on.
on.
Yeah, I thought when the rain came, I thought it was the Moti by TS Galaxy, but no, Kaizer Chiefs came back stronger.
I thought you're not gonna mention that.
Yeah.
I was telling you, one of the guys that was sitting next to me, I said, look at the guys. It's raining today.
Yeah.
TS Galaxy is strong today. But anyway, the boys said we're gonna have to finish what he started.
Yes.
To appeal to Kaizer Chiefs, supporters and the management.
Yes.
The team is doing well.
Yes.
But it's late what they are doing. It's a nice thing, but if they started from the first match until today, the way they are playing,
the way they started, they should have carried on. Yeah.
The badge, it means a lot to them.
Yes.
So believe it or not, they will take us to the next season with a big bang.
Yes.
Trust me.
So are the co-coaches continuing next season?
No. Why not?
Yeah.
Let's not stress fans. Let's not stress the players. Because if you start talking about players and the new coach, then we demotivate these players.
The momentum
will be down.
Yes.
So to give them momentum, let's support each and everyone, and then they'll continue doing what they are doing.
Yes.
What they are doing currently, I don't see a problem.
Yes.
You understand? It's a matter of us as supporters, we support them.
Yes.
When they make mistake, we support. We don't say,
hey! Yeah, shout at them,
and then they
stop coming to the stadium.
Guys, at home, come and support this team.
Yes.
It's a big brand.
And the game is getting, and they're starting to exchange nice passes as well.
Guys, seeing live and versus TV is totally different.
Yes.
The motive with the emotions and the supporters and everyone behind the team, it's something amazing.
Yes.
Please guys, come and join. The next match, I'm not sure, it's in
Polokwane. Yes, against Makesi.
You say we're going there.
Yeah.
Full force and support the guys.
Yes.
Then they'll get motivation from us. What else can we talk about?
No, I think you nailed it, Kosi.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Yes.
This is We Talk Football SA. Please subscribe. If you don't subscribe, the lightning that you almost saw today will be live and it will be visiting you at home.
listen to this before we close up.
Yes.
When the birds were flying, I said to the next person that was sitting to me, I said, there's rain coming.
Yes.
He said, how do you know? I said, look at
these birds.
These birds means a lot.
Yes.
Guess what?
Exactly.
That's my point. But anyway, we have a beautiful time. Look at the rain.
Yes.
Nothing now. We're going home.
Yes.
Peacefully, happily, we're going to our families.
And the chairman was in the stadium.
Exactly.
Yeah, I saw the chairman there.
For the first
Mutaung is in
time.
the stadium after a long time.
A long time.
Yeah.
To see Dr. Mutaung at the stadium. Normally we saw Jessica,
Yes.
Junior, Bobby, and
Yes.
so forth. But today, the chairman was there.
Great news.
Number one.
Yabonga.
For life. Thank you.
Dango.